Hi, I'm Savannah Phillips, and today we're going to be making do-it-yourself masks out of LuLaRoe leggings. I know the president has been talking a lot about wearing a personal mask when you go anywhere, and so we have a lot of LuLaRoe leggings. We might as well use them. But before I get started, if you could please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, and we're getting there. So, yeah, take a pair of LuLaRoe leggings. I know sometimes if you've had them for a long time, they got a tiny hole in them or something like that. That is the perfect pair to start with. I'm using a pair of one size. I don't know if I've tried it with tall and curvies yet, but this is a pair of one size. So you're going to use one leg at a time. And then the first kind of few I tried, I just kind of eyed it. They were perfect sizes for my kids. So me personally, I'm going to test it a little bit. So I'm going to go from ear to ear, but then I want to make it a little bit tinier just so it's got something to hold on to. So I can measure that, but it's probably about 8 or 9 inches or so. And then you're going to cut the whole leg because you want both layers. Okay, so now you've got your little tube, your legging tube. This is the very, very bottom of the leggings too, so I'm going to cut off this hem down at the bottom because I just don't need it. Okay, so it's an extra piece you can use for whatever you want. So now I've got this tube. The only seam I have is down that side. And then it's kind of square. I want to make it a little bit more rounded on the edges just so I don't have all that extra fabric. So I'm going to round off the edges on both sides. Not super drastic either. I'm just rounding them off a little bit. Scissors don't want to go over that seam. Okay, so now I've got the rounded edges on the tube. I don't need all the fabric all the way across, so I'm going to cut out a little bit of fabric on the inside. It's going to leave 2 layers right around your mouth, but not 2 layers around your ears. I'm not sure if you can see that or not. So right here, we're going to do this on both sides. So you just have the one layer on either side. Okay, so here we have our rounded off, but you still got the 2 layers on the mouth. Now we need our ear holes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this side right here. I'm going to fold it in half and then make sure you're only cutting where that one layer is. And I'm going to cut out a little triangle just like that. That's going to give us our ear hole. Here, it might be easier without the print, like that. So do that on both sides. Okay, so now you've got your ear holes here, your 2 layers here. And because it's leggings and it's got that pocket in there, you can put some sort of other filter in there, whether it's your 100% cotton or whatnot. I don't know enough about all the filters, but that pocket in there will help you to put more layers if you do need more filtering. So here's your rounded with your ear holes. And I don't know if you can hear me, but it's perfect. When I put mine on, it's a little bit squared, so I just kind of tuck in the bottoms up under my chin. But super easy, super soft, super stretchy. Just like that. There, gotta cover my nose. Okay, well, if you like my video, make sure to subscribe. If you have any questions, leave the comments down below and I'll do my best to help you out. But one pair of leggings should be able to do 1, 2, 3, 4 masks at least. And then what's really cool is a lot of my customers will ask for leggings because they like leggings that they're okay with cutting up, because they like to wear a pair of cut off leggings under their dresses anyway, in case it's a windy day. I think I have a pair here. So once you cut them off, you can wear these under your skirts and dresses, so you don't have any oops moments either. So anyways, if you have any questions, leave the comments down below, and thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. So after finishing our video, we were chatting about it, and we really want to do a giveaway to get you a few free pairs of leggings as well. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe and comment below. And if you are already subscribed, comment below, let us know you watched this. We are going to send out a few free pairs of leggings as well. So thank you guys so much. Make sure you're subscribed and comment below, and you'll be entered for that. See ya.